Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to increase PHP variable values in IONOS server. As you can see, I was working on a client project which is using Woodmart theme, but the Woodmart theme status says some warnings that I need to increase PHP max input bars and PHP time limit. So as these are using IONOS server that is hard than other hosting provider which use cPanel, so I'm recording this video for others to help. So to do that, let's get started, and I'm going to IONOS dashboard, and then you should click on hosting. Then click on web space, and then click and builds, and this is my root folder for my website. As you can see, this is the website, this is the domain, and this is the root folder. And here you can find we should find the php.ini file to set up PHP settings, to add PHP settings. As you can see here, php.ini file, but I will need to find that in wp admin on this folder. Let's go to this folder and find the file for php.ini. Yes, here is the file, and now click on download it, and you can delete the current one, or you can rename it for future reference. I'm renaming it to keep it for future reference. So this will stay as it is, but not using. Let me go to the PHP file that I'm downloaded. As you can see here, post max size is 128 megabyte and memory limit is 1024 megabyte. So I'm going to increase these values: time limit and max input bars. Time limit should be minimum 180, and pay max input bars should be 10,000. Let it do. At max underscore input underscore bars equal, I'm going to do this 50,000, and now PHP time limit, let it max execution time equal to what it says, to keep 180. Let keep it 200. No, I should keep it 500. Save the file, and now go to the IONOS again and now upload the new file. Select files, here is the file, and click on upload. new file has been updated, php.ini. And now let's get back to the website dashboard and refresh the page. See it, the PHP max input bars has been updated and time limit. So this way you can increase post max size and all the requirement. Thank you for watching. If this video helped to you, then don't forget to subscribe and share.